Hi everyone, installed a light bar on the Triton. Now the Triton isn't very good for installing a light bar in stock form. You usually need a ball bar or an edge bar or something, but I managed to mount it here in between this little space here. I suppose up here could have been an option, or one of those number plate things, but the main one's got one of them and you reckon it flaps around too much, and it is pretty flimsy. Look at that. So with the light bar, all I did was drill a hole there and there and mounted it. It was a bit difficult to get in there, but I did it. Had to take off this top plate, whatever you call it, 11 of these things, pop them off, and then you've got the grill here, and there's just under here there's a clip there and a clip there. You pop those clips out and there's 5 clips under here, and the grill just pulls straight out, not a problem. That gave me a bit easier access, plus I had to run the wiring around under here and down there, and there's the wire, you might be able to see it, zip tied just here, and that's the wire. You can hardly see it anyway, but that's the wire for the lights. Just down in here, you can't see it anyway, but the relay is down there bolted, and I've got the piggyback adapter, which is just here. That goes into the wiring harness. Got a steady piggyback adapter and steady harness, and this here is the wire. Goes down to the little grommet right down in there, and that wire goes through into the firewall and inside the cap. Okay, that's the wire that comes through the firewall, and I've got it tucked up under here. Yeah, you've got to take this little bit of stuff off here. It's only 2 clips, one there, one there. You just unscrew and pop the clips out, and I had to get this panel out. It's pretty easy actually. I thought it'd be pretty everything, but it's not. So screw there, you undo, and the clips are out. You know, that little thing's dropped. And just pull it out. It just pulls out. And this here was just a blank, and I've got a GLX Plus Triton. Okay, it probably isn't a blank in higher models. It's probably something. So you'd probably have to put the switch over here in these ones. There's a couple of vacant ones there, but that's the steady switch. And if I turn the lights on, yeah, she's going to beep, and more beeping, but it does illuminate. It's blue though, those are orange, that's blue, but it doesn't matter. I press that, put on high beam, yeah, it all works. So that looks pretty neat anyway, I reckon. And the light off, stop the beeping. And that's not a problem. You just, like I said, pop the panel off. This whole section here pops out. It just pops. Easy peasy. And to get them out, you just pinch them like that, push that, get the blank out. One thing, the illumination. Now, there was a dummy thing in there for something else. I don't know what it was. Anyway, I just cut the brown wire, wired up the illumination wire from the steady switch into that. And I didn't solder it, I crimped it because it was inside the car. I wasn't going to drip solder over inside it. And yeah, that worked quite well. And I tested another couple of these, and they were like the brown wire as well. That might vary because the car was built in the pandemic, all sorts of crazy things were going on, so don't take my word for it, it's the brown wire, but it could be. You just test it with a light. Had a test light in back, testing each one. Sure enough, it was the bound wire. Yeah, so putting it in that small gap, I needed a nice slim line, so it's only about 30 mil. And I got that off Rana Off-Road, about $89 including delivery, wasn't bad. It's about $100 on all the other bits and pieces, about 110 with ducting and stuff. Notice I wired everything with ducting. And I got a few tips from DIY Salmon. I'll put a link to his video in the description. There it is, all lit up. Thanks a lot for watching.